Hello, friends. Welcome back, all the little artists. Hope you all are doing well and you all are fine and you all are enjoying your life. In today's video, I'm going to draw everyone's favorite fast food fries. Do you know French fries are the snacks made up of deep fried potatoes? It's typically are salted and have many flavors. They are a side dish served with many other fast food. It's light and happy meal. Everyone's love to eat fries. So let's start drawing our fries. First, I'm going to draw two parallel lines. I'm going to join the lines from the bottom and draw a half circle on the top of two parallel lines. Our packet is ready. Let's draw some french fries. To draw french fries, I'm going to draw two parallel lines and join them from the top of the lines. Draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again until your packet is completely full. Draw eyes and draw a big smile on your packet to give it a good look. I draw two eyes, big two eyes and a smile. My drawing is ready. Let's color it. Fries are typically in yellow color or golden brown color. So let's color it a beautiful golden brown or yellow. Keep coloring. Let me know in a comment that you enjoyed french fries or not. I'm going to color my packet a beautiful red color. You can color it with your own choice. Keep watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you in the next video.